I'm sorry to hear that you're feeling that way, but I assure you that everyone has their own unique strengths and abilities. Making money on TikTok can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Here are some steps you can take. Find your niche. Determine what type of content you enjoy creating and what you're passionate about. Whether it's comedy, dance, music, fashion, or any other topic, focus on creating content that resonates with you and your audience. Create engaging content. TikTok is a platform driven by short-form videos, so it's crucial to capture your audience's attention quickly. Use creative storytelling techniques, visual effects, catchy music, and trending challenges to make your content entertaining and shareable. Consistency is key. Regularly post content to maintain engagement and build an audience. Aim for a consistent schedule and ensure your videos are of high quality. Experiment with different formats and styles to see what works best. Understand your audience. Pay attention to the preferences and feedback of your viewers. Use TikTok's analytics tools to gain insights into your audience demographics, interests, and video performance. Tailor your content to cater to their interests. Grow your followers. Engage with the TikTok community by following other creators, commenting on their videos, and participating in challenges or trends. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and tap into their audience. Utilize TikTok features. Take advantage of features like hashtags, effects, filters, and sounds to make your content more discoverable and appealing. Participate in viral challenges and trends to increase your visibility. Monetization opportunities. Once you have a significant following, you can explore monetization options on TikTok. These may include brand partnerships, influencer marketing, sponsored content, and even the TikTok Creator Fund, which offers financial support to eligible creators. Cross-promote on other platforms. Promote your TikTok content on other social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter to drive traffic and attract more followers to your TikTok account. Remember, building a successful TikTok presence takes time, effort, and patience. It's important to focus on creating content that you enjoy and resonates with your audience rather than solely focusing on making money. With dedication, creativity, and perseverance, you can potentially earn income from your TikTok presence.